Customer service can't be a program, it has to be a culture. And our organization took this in as a culture change, and it is now part of the organization. We don't call it a program. It's just who we are. I'm Paul Wilson. I'm the CEO of DMS Health Technologies, and we are a medical device company that sells used medical equipment and biomedical services. We also are a distributor for Philips Medical and provide mobile imaging on a national basis. Our motivation for launching this program was about 4 years ago. We had identified in our strategic planning that while we felt we were a customer-sensitive organization, we had no viable way to prove it to our customers, and we had identified this as a value proposition to them and felt like we needed to be able to provide evidence to them that we were as good as we thought we were. Interestingly enough, when we began to use Omega and stratify our customer service experience and get results, we found that there were gaps in our customer service program, some significant gaps in certain areas. And we began to target our energies and our focus and our objectives on improving some of those targets. And that has proven to be very, very successful for us. One would have to step forward and say that there's a direct correlation between our renewal business in our service organization with our customer service. And as of today, it's over 98%. When we first began with Omega, it was not that high. In fact, I'm not even quite sure what it was because we really didn't measure it that well. But since engaging in a customer service program, you begin to look at metrics and begin developing goals on what you want to achieve. And our goal had been to achieve a renewal business for a service organization that exceeded 98%, and in 2010 we did that. Our goal at that time was not just merely to measure, but was also to achieve the pinnacle of that service, which was the North Face Award. And since we began using Omega, this year, 2011, we will receive our third North Face Award within our company. And our company has begun to really understand what that means, and they look forward to the award each year. And I would say that if we don't receive a award next year, it would be a bitter disappointment to the organization. One of the greatest achievements that we have at DMS is when we began measuring customer service and began seeing changes in our customer service scores. And that by itself, that initiative, that ball rolling, has done nothing more than brought more and more people onto the bandwagon, understanding that that is the one place where we can differentiate what we do from everybody else. Customer service can't be a program, it has to be a culture. And our organization took this in as a culture change, and it is now part of the organization. We don't call it a program. It's just who we are. And we've done that same thing at DMS with Omega. Have we formalized it? You know, we've created an expectation, and now we've got some success, and the employees are starving to continue to see success. If we don't get success, it'll be totally disappointing to the organization. So from a CEO's perspective, what better program do you have where you can step back and say, it's really not mine, it's yours. It's a great feeling.